बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sarish and I am from BA 2.5 morning and my roll number is 78. Topic of my assignment is assigned by Ma'am Sumaira and my presentation topic is characteristic of a critical thinker. First of all, I want to tell you about what is a critical thinker. So, critical thinking is the identification to guide decision making. Aristotle said, it is a mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. So now I have to discuss about the characteristic of a critical thinker. There are many characteristics of a critical thinker, but now we have to discuss a few of them. Critical thinkers are successful in life because they are able to analyze issues from others' perspectives. So the characteristic of a critical thinker are, the first is observation, and the second is curiosity, the third is objectivity, and the fourth identifying biases, and the fifth active listeners. First of all, I want to discuss point number 1, which is observation. तो ऑब्जर्वेशन जो है वो हमारा एक पहला कदम है। ऑब्जर्वेशन जो है वो एक पहला कदम है जो हम एज अ क्रिटिकल थिंकर बचपन से हम सीखते हुए आ रहे हैं। ऑब्जर्वेशन डिटेल्स टू कलेक्ट डेटा थ्रू आवर सेंसेस, and I think an observer never takes a wrong step. So now I have to discuss point number 2, which is curiosity. So एक अच्छा क्रिटिकल थिंकर वो है जिसके अंदर ये एबिलिटी होनी चाहिए, उसे क्यूरियोसिटी तजस्सुस होना चाहिए कि वो कोई भी काम सर अंजाम दे एक अलग अंदाज से। Curiosity for the critical thinker is a good step. So I am going to discuss point number 3, which is objectivity. Good critical thinkers are able to stay as objective as possible when looking at information or a situation. They follow the scientific evaluation of the information at hand. So the critical thinker in the step of objectivity take decision according to the situation. So I am going to discuss point number 4, which is identifying biases. Most time we think we are right, but जो एक अच्छा क्रिटिकल थिंकर जो है उसमें ये एबिलिटी होनी चाहिए कि वो हमेशा अक्सर हमें लगता है कि हम ठीक हैं, लेकिन नहीं। जो अच्छा क्रिटिकल थिंकर है उसे ये देखना चाहिए कि उसे हमें दूसरों की राय को अहमियत देनी चाहिए। हमें ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि जो हम कह रहे हैं वही सही है। हमें अपने नज़रिए को एक साइड में रखकर दूसरों की बात को उसको अहमियत देनी चाहिए। And we know it hard to think out of our personal biases, but for the sake of our success, we must try to do so. So, the final step of the characteristic of a critical thinker, which is active listeners, which is on number 5. So, active listener वो होता है जो हमेशा अपनी बात नहीं सुने बल्कि दूसरों की बात को भी सुने, उनको समझे, उनका नुक्ता नज़र सामने रखे, फिर कोई भी फ़ैसला ले। जो भी बात हो उसका पर्सपेक्टिव क्रिटिकल थिंकर को समझना चाहिए। So I think good listener is great to everyone because critical thinkers don't just want to get their points across to others. They are also careful to engage in active listening and really hear others' point of view instead of being passive listener. During a conversation or discussion, they actively try to participate. So all are the characteristic of a critical thinker has been discussed. So the characteristic of a critical thinker allows them to come up with and decide on the best solution. So this is the end of the discussion. Hope you all understand the characteristic of a critical thinker. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.